Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Trading Desk, where we talk about daily movers in the market, specifically my trades, why I took them, why I thought they were a good trade, and how did they resolve. So today we had a little bit less momentum, I would say. There were some okay moves, but I did capitalize. I think I just took trades that they weren't bad, but they weren't good as well. Like maybe I should have just waited a little bit better for a better trade, etc. So, starting off with HIND. So this had news at 1 p.m. And the thing was with this was it pops up right here to a high of around $18, right? And then as here it starts selling off, and look at the volume, right? Low volume, okay, rising volume, but red, right? This reversed, so it's a reversal. Then that goes all the way down to the 9 EMA, decreasing volume, pops up, high volume, like okay, we might be seeing it curl back up to 18, but I because the MACD was open, but then again pull back again. I mean, it's not even a pullback, then it curls back up, and right here I traded it. What trade did I take? So I got in at 16, right, which is on this candle right here. I got in right there at 14.82, and on this candle right here I sold at 15, right there. I sold at 15, and I sold immediately because I saw that it's gonna reverse, not necessarily due to the volume, but just that it didn't curl back up. It was gonna either pull back or continue here, and I was just like, okay, let's see. I sold, starts going back up, and it's fine. Then it's also a big volume candle, and I leave it alone. Then we got CWD, and this one was a stock that previously popped up and had a very big move. So it goes up, pulls back, goes up again, pulls back, and then just kind of goes down. And the volume was increasing. What? Oh. Okay, there we go. That was my previous color. No, let's see, just a little bit. No. Okay. So you see it increasing here, and the thing was, I saw it pop up, pull back, and then goes all the way up here, and I'm like, forgetting on this because it was something that was nice, but it didn't get in here, not here. I got in at 990 at 41, so that would have been right here on this pullback. It had a nice candle. The rejection was there at 11, but the volume was good, and the volume selling was not as high. And I like this candle right here, but it rejects very hard, and I got in right here as on this curlback to 990, but I hold. Oh wait, no, I actually got in at 37, right? Yeah, I got in right here on this, but I sold right here. So it kind of goes down, goes up. I like this candle, and then immediately it goes down. I'm like, okay, I'm selling the moment it starts going back up, and I sell right there. So I lost a little bit, but it's still fine. The trade wasn't bad in any sense, but I think that maybe we should have waited. I should have waited to go down to the 9 EMA and then see a potential upside. And then the last trade I think was on SITI, and it was a very small loss. I got in immediately at 314. That's when I got 314, and then it just right here, basically on this candle, and then goes up, goes down, goes down, goes up, and I sell at 305. But it's just a small loss of 50 shares, so it's fine. Sitting on the day at minus 40, but I would say that trades weren't bad. I just think that we saw a lot of reversals today, like goes up and then big red candle, bam, goes down, right? And I mean, these days will just happen naturally, but given time and dedication, we'll get through them. So Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.